Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add gig extras on Fiverr. To do that, 1. You must offer valuable add-ons like fast delivery, extra revisions, source files, or premium upgrades. Secondly, you must price strategically. Charge 20 to 50% of base gig price. For example, $20 gig can become $5 to $10 extra. Now, the third thing to do is to use clear titles, 24-hour rush delivery, unlimited revisions, 4K upgrades. Those are clear titles that you can use. Avoid these mistakes. 1. Overpricing extras. Do not charge $50 for a simple add-on if your gig is $30. 2. Vague descriptions. Be specific. Extra 1-minute video clip, not bonus content. Thirdly, too many options. Just 3 to 5 max. Avoid overwhelming buyers. Do not add more than 3 to 5 add-ons. So, pro tip, test popular extras like fast delivery is a popular extra and promote them in your gig description for more upsells. For example, if a $50 video editing gig can earn $20 extra per order with smart add-ons. Hope you found this video helpful.